Hello, I'm Curtis, and this is Beth. This is a series of comics about our imaginary pets, Curiosity Cat and Data Dog. They go on some incredible adventures with the help of their special gear. A scientist friend of ours that lives in Bora Bora wanted us to help with her research project, so we did. She was very grateful, so she gave Data Dog a very special collar and Curiosity Cat an amazing pair of glasses. Data Dog's collar, called a photon collar, allows him to run super fast, and with a trick of physics, it allows him to go back in time. It also has a special laser that allows him to capture a hard light image of critters he meets along the way. When he comes back to the present, he can release the hard light copy, and it lasts for 2 minutes, and it looks and feels just like the real thing. Curiosity Cat's glasses allow her to read books, and when she closes her eyes, she can surf the internet in her mind. Together, Curiosity Cat and Data Dog go on some amazing adventures through time and space. I can't wait to share them with you.
The Extraordinary Adventures of Curiosity Cat and Data Dog, written by Curtis Bentley, illustrated by Matsuya. Life Afar. Week 1. We need a cat and a dog to test our new pet spacesuits. Where? At the space station. Pip. Pop. Crack.
International Space Station. Earth. Not to scale. The space station orbits the Earth. That means it goes around the Earth in space. It circles the Earth almost 16 times a day.
I think your pets would be perfect.
How will they get there?
A spacecraft. Flip flop.
A spacecraft takes people and things into space. A person trained to go into space is called an astronaut.
Not.
Would you too like to go into space? Yes.
Wag, wag. Maybe. Purr.
Curiosity Cat is kind of scared about going into space. Would you be scared too? Astronaut school.
This plane will help train you for space. We call it the Vomit Comet.
Oh, vomit?
Gulp.
The Earth has gravity. Gravity keeps things on the ground. At the space station, it feels like there is almost no gravity. The plane makes them feel like that too.
Is this going to be fun? Varoom!
The plane flies in a wave pattern in the sky. When the plane flies over the top, people inside will float.
Float? Float?
They float for about 30 seconds at a time.
Rough.
Blah.
We have vomit. Oh, Data Dog.
At the space station, astronauts float in the air too. It can make some people feel sick. Oh, brother.
Lub gub. There is a lot more training to do. That was fun!
Astronauts must train before going into space. It takes years. Data Dog and Curiosity Cat must learn a lot in a hurry. After months of training, this is awesome.
Wag, wag. I forgot my glasses. And thing changer.
It is almost time to go. The rocket is warming up. They need to get into the rocket soon.
Rumble.
The countdown has started.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Pop, the engines fire up.
6, 5, 4, 3,
The spacecraft is full of power.
2, 1. Blast off!
Yahoo!
To be continued. That means the story's not over yet. Come back next time to find out how this adventure continues.